From Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Toyota Corolla LE. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walkthrough here. Front bumper's in nice shape. Great condition overall. Very nice. Headlamps are in beautiful condition. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. It's got a couple little marks here on the bottom there. Besides that, looks good. A couple little touch-ups on the hood, nothing major. Hood's in great shape, very nice. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, rear, looks good, clean throughout. It's got a tiny little dent right there, a little touch-up right there, nothing major. Taking a look at the rear quarter panel on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Rear bumper looks good. A small little mark there on the bumper. Besides that, looks good. Trunk lid looks good. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. Small two little dents right there. Small little tiny touch up right there. On the rear driver's side door. Front driver door looks good. Don't see anything there. Glass is in great condition. Looks good. Mirror's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Front fender does have a couple little touch ups on it here and right there. Besides that, looks good. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful shape. Super clean. Very nice condition. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the controls for the power windows. Driver seat's in nice shape. Beautiful condition, full set of floor mats, original from Toyota. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat, also in beautiful condition. Really nice condition. We're looking at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful condition. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in great shape, beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this Toyota Corolla. We're gonna go ahead and start this one up. You can see here, that's the key fob for it. Lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. I'm gonna start this baby up. Starts up perfect. You can see all the gauges go up and down. That means it's fully functional. Perfect. Okay, so let's take a look at the mileage. Mileage on this one is 31,456 and 20 miles till empty. That's a nice screen there to use. So it has the safety, the lane assist. It has the automatic braking with the distance. Very nice. Okay, and it doesn't have any messages or anything that has to be taken care of on the vehicle, so it's totally clear. Okay, so this is the information center we're using to go through that. Down here you have the control for the volume, and this is for the cruise control. Here we go. It has daytime running lights and automatic lights. Controls for the wipers. Down below here, it has automatic high beams. Here you go, the switch. You do that. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Very nice. Automatic transmission. The parking brake goes on automatically. Traction control. You're looking at the controls for the radio, and the information center, which is really nice. So let's go to the menu real quick. So you have audio, phone, apps, and project and setup. So if you connect your phone to it, you can see whatever's on your screen. That's really cool. Then it has apps. You can select that stuff too. Go back to menu again. So audio right there, AM, FM, XM radio, and then you have Bluetooth. Go back home again, menu, the phone, the audio controls, the information center. This one does not have the navigation installed, but you could actually have that installed, I guess, at the dealer. Very nice. It's got a climate control AC here, one setting for the whole vehicle. Econo mode. Very nice. AC is working perfect. It's got a nice armrest there, cup holders there. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. It's got a little bit of wear and tear here on the little edge there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Super, super clean. Let's take a look at the liner. Looks good. Very nice. Beautiful condition throughout. All right, that's pretty much about it for the interior of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. We already have it in gear here. It's already in drive. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. 2021 Toyota Corolla LE. Feels nice. It drives smooth. Let's check the brakes real quick. Brakes feel good. Let's see, accelerate a little bit. A little more power here. Drives really nice. As you can see there, everything's fully functional. Drives really nice. Let's go ahead and check out the backup camera, and we'll be done. Here we go. Let's look at the backup camera. When you put it in reverse, the backup camera shows up. And you can see there. Backing up perfectly. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That concludes our little test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood and take a look at those tires. We're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Take a look at the spare on the bottom here. Spare tire. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in great shape. Hubcap is in beautiful condition. It's got a little scuff right there. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, look at the tire, brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Hubcap looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side tire. Tire's in amazing condition, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. We're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Looks brand new. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Hubcap's in great condition. It's got a little scuff right there. Besides that, looks beautiful. That's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Toyota Corolla LE. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.